Last month, on my wife's and I trip to Maine and Boston, my uncle and I fired up his sawmill and got to work turning logs into boards. This is what he does for a living in retirement. We were milling this wood for a guy that builds boats for bay tours along the coast. There's something special about watching raw timber become something people will actually use and enjoy. If he lived closer to Utah, we'd be teaming up and building decks straight from the trees we cut. As Shane Structures, we bring that same pride and craftsmanship to everything we do. From custom decks to remodels and repairs, all across northern Utah. Shane Structures, building honesty, quality, and craftsmanship one project at a time. We're a family-based company and a faith-based company. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.